Hey all of you,
Beautiful people.
welcome to Divyne. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Ryan, and this channel like DIYs, lifestyle, beauty, all that type of stuff. If that sounds like anything you're interested in, please do not hesitate to press on that subscribe button down below, as you've heard plenty of times, but really you're going to press on it if you like me or not. So if you like me, please press it. If you do not,
Maximum effort. Hear the music.
so the first piece of jewelry that I have here in my hand are these really cute colorful earrings, these hoop earrings, and I'm honestly about to put them on now because they're so cute. And oh my gosh, they're kind of flexible. You wouldn't have known that from the picture and looking at it. They're kind of flexible and they're really, like, look at this colorfulness. Like, I can't help myself. Like, these are too cute. These are so cute. I'm sorry guys, I keep looking because they're so cute. I got a lot of butterfly things, which is so crazy. I don't know why, but I just went like on a butterfly Shein jewelry haul, other than these and a few other ones that are not butterflies. I have these butterfly earrings. Let me take them out the package. These are so cute. The light is shining really bright, but like these are the earrings and they're super cute. There you go, kind of see them better. And I got this butterfly, I'm trying to remember what it is. Okay, it goes through here. Oh my gosh, it may not fit me and I'm not surprised. And then it goes like this, but I'm sure if I can tighten it. Okay, that's better. See, it's like this. So it's on my middle finger, and then I can put on like one of my actual rings to like tack it down a bit, but it looks really cute. I don't know, maybe I put it on a little too tight. Oh wait, no, it's good. Yeah, I like this a lot. Butterfly necklace, but I also have another necklace. I have like different necklaces. So I have that one, and then I have this butterfly necklace set, and honestly I'm now noticing how much they are alike. Probably shouldn't have done that, but who cares. And this one has earrings included, so some butterfly earrings again, and these are our earrings right here for my name. If you don't know, my name is Ryan. Hi, my name is Ryan. What's your name? I got a butterfly necklace, another one, but I didn't notice how there was another gold one in there, so I think I'm gonna go back and get the gold one. I love butterflies, if you guys haven't noticed yet. And I have a butterfly tattoo on my back, so it's pretty obvious how much I love butterflies. And plus, that tattoo on my back matches my mom's. That's one thing that I love about it. And I have a butterfly ear cuff. It starts here and then it goes up here, like around there. So like, it's super cute. I got these Africa earrings, my Black Panther pride right here. These are super cute. Oh my gosh, she keeps saying everything's cute. I'm tired of saying the word cute, but I tried to make an idea to say something else, but then we'll say it. Fly earrings. I'm not even gonna describe them at this point, because I'm pretty sure we all know they're cute. Yeah, we all know. Other butterfly earrings. Oh my gosh. Okay, now looking back at this, I see how much I overdid it with the butterflies. Maybe I didn't overdo it because I just love butterflies. So next time I go and get the jewelry, which is gonna be pretty soon, I'm not gonna get as much butterflies, but I'm gonna get some butterflies because like I can't help myself, but I might end up rebuying what I already have, so I don't want to do that. But these dangle. These are super cute. The fact that they dangle down. Wear them with the cute dress. A gold R necklace. Music notes. I like this a lot. Cloud earrings. And it's crazy because before I got them, before they got here, I thought that they were tiny little ones, like tiny little dangly ones, and then they're big, and I'm like, oh shoot, wasn't expecting that. But they also have like gummy bear earrings, and I didn't get them. I was gonna get them, but like I had like way too much stuff in my cart, so I took them out. But I'm definitely gonna get them next time. Baby girl necklace. And and this is the last thing that I got. These blue earrings. They're like the ocean, like watery, really cute. But I did a shop with me online video. I'm not sure if you guys seen it or not. Probably not, most likely not. But I was looking at Shein's clothes, and I was gonna get their clothes, but instead I did this bag and jewelry because first of all, I can make my own clothes. Second of all, after seeing this extra small fitting me, just not the way I thought that it would fit me, since it is an extra small, I feel like it's not safe for me to get their clothes, because if it doesn't fit me the way I want it to and the way I would like it to, which is, you know, fit it, like obviously you can hide if a bodysuit is a little baggy on you because you just stuff it in, but the other stuff that I was looking at, if this fits me this way, there's no saying how that other stuff is going to fit me. So I'm happy that I didn't get their clothes, and I'm just going to keep getting their jewelry, and maybe I'll get some shoes because I really want to wear more heels. So thank you guys so much for tuning into Real Divyne. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at some of the cool jewelry that I got. I was going to try them all on, but I have to do something today. I have to do my sister's hair, so don't have all that time to try them all on, which is pretty alright because I don't want to take them all out, and I'm not really sure where I'm going to put them all right now. So I'm just going to keep them in here and wear them as videos go by, and whenever I go out, whenever that'll be, because none of us know when we'll be going out. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day, because you guys are all beautiful people. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and most importantly, stay safe. Please stay safe.